Welcome to this week's edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Ethris and Lonza have entered into a strategic collaboration to develop spray-dried nasal mRNA vaccines that remain stable at room temperature. The technology eliminates the need for cold storage and aims to address global logistical challenges. Their first candidate, a nasal influenza vaccine, uses Ethris mRNA platform combined with Lonza's advanced particle engineering. The formulation is designed to stimulate mucosal immunity, a first line of defense against respiratory pathogens, and could play a critical role in preventing the spread of airborne viruses. AIM Vaccine Company has announced that its serum-free rabies vaccine is nearing market launch, following its approval for market registration. Expected to be the world's first serum-free rabies vaccine, this innovation enhances safety by eliminating animal-derived components and reduces allergy risks. Backed by strong Phase 3 data and competitive pricing, the vaccine is well positioned to penetrate China's rabies vaccine market, which is projected to reach 14.8 billion renminbi by 2030. In South Korea, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety has approved Barythrax, the world's first recombinant anthrax vaccine. Developed by GC Biopharma in collaboration with the Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency, Barythrax becomes Korea's 39th novel drug approval. Unlike traditional vaccines, it does not contain residual toxins and demonstrated long-term immunity in preclinical animal studies conducted under the Animal Rule. The approval strengthens Korea's national preparedness against bioterrorism threats. China has begun Phase 1 clinical trials for its first domestically developed Mpox vaccine. Spearheaded by Sinopharm's Institute of Biological Products, the trials are taking place in Hunan Province. The vaccine development responds to the World Health Organization's declaration of Mpox as a public health emergency of international concern. The study aims to evaluate safety and immunogenicity in adults aged 18 and older and represents China's first step toward local Mpox immunization capacity. Meanwhile, Côte d'Ivoire has launched its largest ever human papillomavirus vaccination campaign, aiming to immunize 3.5 million girls from April 7 to April 13. The campaign specifically targets school-aged girls and includes outreach to out-of-school youth. Backed by Gavi and the government's co-financing model, the initiative seeks to reduce cervical cancer mortality and overcome setbacks caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The campaign builds upon the country's 2019 HPV rollout and reflects a renewed commitment to protecting women's health. Stay ahead in vaccine research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare